Planning a move in Meridian, Idaho? Whether you're relocating locally or across the state, these 5 no-fluff tips will save you money, time, and frustration. Meridian's school zones back up fast during morning and afternoon hours, especially near 10 Mile, Chinden, and Eagleward. Schedule moves between 10 a.m. and 2 p.m. to avoid major gridlock. Newer Meridian subdivisions and townhome complexes often require move-in notice or elevator reservations. Contact your HOA or property manager before scheduling your movers. Idaho's weather can change fast, even in spring and fall. Protect furniture with waterproof wraps and ask your movers to bring floor runners to keep your new home clean. If you're moving a full household in Meridian, flat rate pricing is your best option. Hourly rates can balloon if traffic or loading takes longer than expected. Some areas in Meridian require parking permits, loading zones, or restricted access hours. A local mover like 3 Movers knows the rules and how to avoid fines or delays. 3 Movers is trusted across Meridian and the Treasure Valley. We provide flat rate or hourly pricing, licensed, insured local crews, packing, loading, and storage options, on-time arrival, and clean work. No subcontractors, ever. We moved from Boise to Meridian, and 3 Movers made it easy. They showed up early, stayed on budget, and took great care of our furniture. Ready to move in or out of Meridian, Idaho? Get a free estimate today at 3movers.com. Reliable, affordable, and always local.